Hey there, ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Let's dive into the world of passive income and explore how you can start earning without constant effort. Passive income is money earned with minimal active involvement. Think of it as setting up systems that continue to generate revenue over time. Examples include rental properties, owning property that tenants pay to live in, dividend stocks, investing in stocks that pay you a portion of the company's earnings, digital products, creating ebooks or courses that sell online, affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting others' products. Why pursue passive income? Here are some compelling reasons: financial freedom, reduced reliance on a 9 to 5 job, flexibility, more control over your time and lifestyle, security, multiple income streams can provide stability, scalability, potential to grow earnings without a proportional increase in effort. Embarking on your passive income journey involves a few key steps. First, research. It's crucial to understand the different passive income avenues available to you. Next, planning. Set clear goals and strategies to guide your efforts. And finally, execution. Take actionable steps towards building your income streams. Be aware of potential hurdles you might face along the way. Initial investment, both time and money, may be required upfront. Learning curve, gaining the necessary knowledge and skills can take some effort and patience. Remember, passive income often builds up over time. Starting with passive income can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's definitely achievable. Begin small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts compound over time.